After sampling the local cuisine in Hong Kong, then Macau, our third stop on our Asian tour was Taiwan. The island was at one point colonized by the Dutch, the Chinese, the Spanish, the Japanese, and then the Chinese again. But the island's original inhabitants, its indigenous peoples, have been there through it all. For our first stop on our Taiwanese tour, we meet up with John, our tattler for this episode, who brings us to a restaurant that uses traditional methods to prepare xiaomi, which directly translates to little rice, but is known in the West as millet.
我的名字叫 Sakino， 我是教会的牧师，然后辅佐部落头目去从事管理部落的一些事务。我自己本身除了当牧师以外，然后又很重视文化之外呢，其实很重要的，当然，部落的族人的生活、经济生活的那个照顾，也是我后来我算是这个小米工坊的对，但是我们就是很希望说把小米的作物呢回归到自己的部落里面去做解释。我会从排湾族的文化把这个小米把这个小米的故事呢用排湾族的方式呈现在我们的社会当中。我印象当中，我从小时候，我一直到现在还是非常非常回味的那个。那我们讲说根母的咖白，所谓的根母的咖白呢是那个小米浸泡将近1个月之后，然后把它捣成，再用那个除臼把它捣成粉状，粉状之后再用水和泥。然后就变成是那个小米粉团的那种，那个我们讲说是咖白。
Hey guys, welcome back to Secret Informant. Leo and I are here with John.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
And we are at a restaurant that I have been struggling to pronounce the name of.
Laolan 小米工坊。
Thank you for allowing us to come here. We're pretty excited to take a look at some of your traditional dishes. So what are we looking at right here?
现在我们所看到的呢，这个就是香肠，香肠，然后这个就是猪肉。那很特殊的是，它用了排湾族很特别的一种食材，一种传统主食叫做小米，酿成酒糟之后，那个酒糟呢再入在这个菜里。
That's very interesting. I mean, we saw some other dishes when you guys were doing the cooking process about how differently it's used in all these different dishes.
当然 sure, yeah.
All right. Sure.
Do we just go? Do we go with our
Why don't we
hands?
just
Yeah, just your hand.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna go for the end piece.
你吃得到那个里面会有那个小米酒糟的那个香气 ，yes 吗？那个味道很独特。
I didn't taste the wine right away. I mean, I tasted kind of a different flavor that I hadn't tasted before in a sausage. At the very end, kind of alcohol came in a little bit.
Right.
接着上来的这一道菜呢，这是排湾族部落很常见的摇饭。We say binu dachengan.
Binu
dachengan.
dachengan.
它的字面的意思就是饭了菜的饭。这个没有加任何的调味，没有加任何的调味，就很单一的，只有吃饭的时候，因为我们整个家里可能很多的人要吃饭，我们就会慢慢吃这个范围，你的范围，他的范围，慢慢把它吃到中间。
That makes sense. It's better than kind of taking it out of the pot and then being is there any left? No. We screwed up. The flavor was very interesting. I mean, it wasn't too sweet and it wasn't too MSG, like you say, like that kind of umami flavor, but you definitely taste the flavor infused into the rice from the vegetables and the pumpkin.
It's kind of on its way to being a kanji, but the rice is still tough and holding a lot of shape.
Right.
So it's like the stage before. That's what it feels like.
第3道菜是排湾族非常重要的食材，让我们看一下。It's named gabai.
Gabai.
We call it gabai.
Gabai.
它就是用了排湾族的小米，然后加一些猪肉，然后用那个芋头茎，用这个甲酸精油把它包覆起来。
Let's try it, I guess.
Yeah.
Oh man. Okay.
Oh, I'll take an end piece.
It's kind of wrapped up.
I'll go here. Woo! It's juicy.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh
It's
my.
got a lot coming off of
Okay.
it. Oh, yep, that's
this
coming
one.
off.
你需要一直咬，在口腔会有一种小米的一种，应该算是有一种小米的酸味会散发在你的口腔里面。
It's extremely juicy.
它之所以多汁，最重要就是那个芋头的茎，
it's like really sticky. Like it's really sticky when you get into it. You're chewing around. It's like sticking to your teeth.
Yeah. It's also very heavy. It's like it's like thick. That's delicious.
This was wonderful.
Yes.
I just downed it in one bite.
Oh, did you?
Yep.
Well, John.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for showing us, giving us a little taste of Pai-Wan Zu cuisine. It was much appreciated. And much appreciation to you for watching. Thanks for watching this episode of Secret Informant. Subscribe if you feel like it, and stay tuned for more food adventures, culinary travels. See ya.
See ya.
Thanks for watching this video, which is produced by Tattle. If you don't know, Tattle is a platform connecting savvy locals with curious explorers. Check them out on social media and sign up for the newsletter at the link in the description. Big thanks to Laolan Millet Workshop, I'm not saying that right, for having us, and thanks to John for being our tattler for this episode. Make sure to subscribe to Tattle for more videos from Secret Informant.